What's going on, guys? Charged up here in the garage. What's in the box? What's in the box? I went ahead and actually ordered a new camera to play around with for you guys. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. What did I get? We've got a lens cap, lens guard, selfie stick, the Insta360 X3. We got the motorcycle mount bundle, and then a motorcycle U-bolt mount. I'm excited about this upcoming season. So yes, firstly, this is the Insta360 X3. I went ahead and actually splurged a little bit. So I've seen a bunch of videos on TikTok, on Instagram, and you know what? I was like, man, those videos do freaking turn out amazing. I really hope Riley says it comes around really quickly because I'm tired of not riding. Obviously, so open the box. Look at this guy. Wow, this guy's actually pretty heavy. I don't see any batteries, so hopefully there's a battery inside or a battery in there. This looks pretty freaking awesome. The screen on the back is pretty nice and big. Put that down there. Let's see what else is in the box here. So we got our Type-C, possibly the charging cable. Put this guy up. We got a little Insta360 pouch right there. Got a screen cleaner, and we've got a whole load of manuals. Ooh, stickers! Stickers! Right, Insta360 stickers! This is going inside the cabins for sure. Alright, put that aside. That's a box. Anything else in here? Oh, put that aside. So that is the Insta360 X3. This thing looks pretty sick. This thing does look pretty sick. Please do not remove the speaker cover. Let's put that back on. But yeah, where is the battery on this guy? Pull out the battery first to insert a micro SD card. Okay, got a couple of those. All right, put that aside here. Interesting. Ooh, so there's one battery in there. Looks pretty nice. SD card, SD slot is right there. Pretty nice. I'm gonna go, you know what, man, I'm excited. However, okay, so this is the Insta360 X3. Put that aside for now. I also have the selfie stick. This is the invisible selfie stick. So there you have it. That's the invisible selfie stick. It feels nice and sturdy too, so that's nice. And then obviously, this guy comes and goes right into that, and then you can just slap it on your bike like so somehow. Yeah, go ahead and put that aside. It's the 360. Then we've got a lens guard. Lens guard, we got two lens guards, front and back. So the lens guard will go on the Insta360, and again, it's to protect the lens, obviously. So there's that. We'll put that aside for now. Then we've got our lens cap. I don't know how this works or what this does. Ah, interesting. That's cool. Goes right over top of it. Goes right over top of it like so. What? That's a pretty cool cover. That's a pretty neat cover. It's like a cover for Minions, right? That's a cover. That's kind of cool. Now this is the motorcycle mount bundle. All right, we got a bunch of things in here. Put that aside for now. What is this? All right, so this is a bracket. You can hold both sides have the clip to it. Then we've got a little clamp. So this side will clamp onto something on the bike. I'll have to figure out like a solution of how to actually clamp this to the bike, to the R6, and hopefully, obviously not damage it in any way with shape or form, but get a really good camera angle with that guy. So then we got this. Ooh, that's kind of nice. The ball, which obviously the ball can go into here as well. That's nice. So we got another mount there, and then got a whole slew. All right, so that's the mount, same as my helmet. That's another mount. That's a bracket. We got some stickies. We got some 3M stickies for these guys. So this can actually go on the bike, somewhere on the bike with the stickies. Put it on, and then you come in with the mount. I mean, it's the same as GoPro, right? It's the same mechanisms as a GoPro, which is nice. Really excited to play around with these. That's for sure. Got 4 of these. I got like 8 over there as is. Number of brackets to play around with. It's a bundle that helps you mount Insta360 to your motorcycle, which is nice because I did want it. I was looking for an extra button. However, I also went ahead and ordered the U-bolt. the U-bolt bundle. And as the kit says, it comes with some more mounts, some more ball mounts. More importantly, so it comes with these U-bolts right here. That's the important, I think that's the important one right there that I might end up using, because I can then grab the mount from this side here, mount it like so, and then obviously get this guy, mount it to here. You know what I mean? Like you just gotta figure out how you're gonna mount it, but I think the U-bolt is what I'll be utilizing. Not sure where yet, but I think it's the U-bolt. But I don't know if I'll put the passion pegs back on just for the Insta360. Like I said, I'm gonna have to play around with it here and there, but I'm actually super excited to be able to play around with this and give you guys some different footage, some different videos for the upcoming riding season, hopefully. Hopefully I can get out there a lot more too. Super excited. Insta360 X3. Damn, I'm excited to use this. Anyways, that's what I want to show you guys, that I actually got a Insta360 for you guys to see what sort of camera angle I can give you while riding, or I don't know, maybe we'll do some random freaking video. I don't know, but I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to use it to see what we can get out of it. Is it riding season yet? Stupid snow. There's actually another storm coming tomorrow. Almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'm in my garage, wearing a hat and gloves because it's freaking cold. But yeah, super excited. Actually, at least, you know what? At least it gives me some time to play around with different mounts and mounting it on the bike. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, put some stuff back into some boxes, and yeah, that's for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.